How can you create a find and click study with PageGazer? In order to assess the discoverability of key elements or test the effectiveness of your navigation menus, start by creating a new project using a template. Simply name your project and paste the URL of the page you want to test. Choose the Find and Click template. Provide clear instructions for your participants. Select additional settings if needed. Now, wait a moment as PageGazer creates the task structure and detects the elements on the page URL you previously provided. After the project was created, open it and navigate to the Tasks tab. On the right side, you'll see your website with the detected areas of interest, AOIs, highlighted with colored rectangles. These AOIs are crucial for setting up tasks and collecting data across different screen resolutions on a live website. Note that the participants will not see these AOIs during their session. The left side contains a set of necessary tasks for your Find and Click study, which PageGazer has generated. Let's break down the tasks. Task 1, click on Element Dialog. This task contains the instructions you wrote for participants. You can edit them here. Task 2, Find and Click. Specify the element you want participants to find. Click the Select AOI button. Locate the corresponding AOI in the right view, and click on it. Done. Task 3, Confirmation Dialog. Customize the default message shown to participants after they complete the assignment. Task 4, Finish Recording. You don't need to change anything here, this task simply indicates to PageGazer that the study is over. In case the element you want users to interact with is not highlighted with an AOI rectangle, and therefore you are not able to choose it in the second task, you can modify AOIs on the Pages tab. Check out an overview of that tab to learn how to do it. Before running your study, you can explore the study settings to ensure everything is configured to your needs. Now, navigate to the Publish tab and click the Publish button. Your study is now ready to run. You can either start it on your computer or share the link with your participants. Here's how the recording session looks like from a participant's point of view. First, they go through the eye tracking calibration step to ensure accurate gaze tracking. They see the instructions, and the recording begins. The session concludes once the user clicks on the designated element, followed by a thank you message. After collecting the data, you can review it under the Recordings tab. The playback includes heat maps, gaze and mouse points, users' cognitive states, AOI statistics, and more for an in-depth analysis. To check the statistics of the element your participants were prompted to find and click, locate the point on the playback timeline where the element becomes visible. Then, pause the playback at that moment and click on the respective AOI. This will display the statistics up to that timestamp in the playback. You can also view these statistics for the entire recording session. Secure your spot as a beta user today to access invaluable insights at no cost, but act quickly as this is a limited time offer. Get in touch with us now and let the party begin.